Hey everybody, it's Charles and Kelsey
Hi.
from Voces. Today is Friday, February the 8th, and we're actually going to be doing two drawings because we missed one last week.
We did. I'm sorry, guys.
It was freezing.
Metro zone locations,
very cold.
most of us are going to...
And there was a lot of snow.
Yeah, so our first winner today, Adriana Lynn.
Congratulations.
Congrats. What will they be winning, Chuck?
We have some Spanish readers, and we also have some novels that we're going to be giving out. So
Awesome.
very excited. I'm going to get a hold of you by email and let you know. Do I get to do this one?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, you just kind of got to rip it.
You really tape this.
Well, so they don't get stuck together in there.
There we go.
All right, Chuck, who'd you pull?
I pulled Bridget Ripley.
Bridget, you will also be winning a prize from us. So
All
we'll
right.
be contacting the two of you by email. Make sure you look out for an email from me. So this week, instead of a tutorial video, we wanted to let everybody know we've got a brand new video up.
Hi, I'm Brian, and I'd like to demonstrate part of Nuestra Historia 3.
Our brand new video is by Brian Kendall, and he goes through Nuestra Historia Level 3 and explains how he uses it with his students in his classrooms.
As a teacher, I know one of the best ways to provide input for my students is through reading. Unfortunately, many students do not share my enthusiasm for reading in Spanish. So I found there are 3 keys to making reading effective in my classes.
Brian Kendall is one of the lead authors for Nuestra Historia Levels 3 and 4.
So he's a trusted source, knows what he's talking about.
Absolutely.
So check out the video if you are looking for some ideas. Even if you're looking for ideas for those lower levels, it's really good to just watch the demonstration and see what he does with it.
Well, thanks so much for joining us, and we're going to see you again next week.
See you guys.